be helium-filled balloons. Backing out of formation with a very vivid imagination, we can pretend those are Roman hellcats. Backing out of formation at 250 to 300 miles an hour to dive down on the enemy below in the South Pacific. Or with even the same imagination, we remember back to World War I, and the speed of these airplanes is pretty much the same, flying at about 85 miles an hour. It's a trainer. These are primary trainers. In primary, after you got, 50, 60 hours in these things, 3 months, you moved up to basic, did a lot of instrument training. You could fly in inclement weather, formation flying, aerobatics, and then moved up to advanced training, and of course multi-engine for the bombers, maritime patrol, the PBYs, the FLOT. There you go. Chuck Tippett nails the first balloon now. Let's watch and see if we can get the second one. You'll hear the sound of the balloon popping. Juan doesn't need to add in sound effects. Let's watch and see if we can hit this one too. Watch as that balloon goes in circles and descends with prop washer called wake turbulence. Now that's even behind. Let's watch this coming in. See Furman? The air is disturbed now, and that makes it difficult to hit these balloons. They're traveling around in circles. Rick Kahn gets it. John Wyrick closing in. Just a touch high. Now the wake turbulence, the bigger the airplane, the more the wake turbulence. So like flying underneath any of the airliners is very, very bad. You don't do it. Because it descends. Gravity pulls it down, and it's a violent force. Now here we have another attack on the balloon. Almost. That's Chuck Tippett, finest flight instructor in the world right there. And when to fly, there's command. Now that is called a Waco UPF-7 or YPT-14, as is this. These were built in Troy, Ohio. And did not get the government Army contracts because there's too many parts and they're too easy to fly. And the flight instructors wanted airplanes that were more difficult to land with closer together landing gear, like you see here with Keith Furman. Beautiful day for an air show. Rick Kahn going to do some very wonderful aerobatics in just a couple minutes, demonstrating primary aerobatics. Here we go. Basic aerobatics. Almost. Almost. Now we get ready for a bombing run. That was the strafing run. Used very successfully by the P-47s towards the end of World War II, shooting up targets of opportunity with a 650 caliber machine gun. Sometimes 8. All right, we're going to drop 3-pound sacks of flour. Oh, it looks like the Fraulines are on the field. They're going to get bombed. We can't bomb the girls, can we? Looks like we're going to bomb the Fraulines. Here we go. A near miss. Now the women, the Russian women during World War II.
From the depths of hell and silence, Russian phantom wants protected. Russian night by protected. One runs explosive violence.
John Potok. Tucks long in the skip bomb. That was 2 bombs. This actually is a reenactment of the way the bombs were dropped by those night witches during World War II. You can look that up. The Russian women, they were heroes, and they won many commendations for what they did. Small 50, 100-pound bombs. Rick Kahn. Jungle 9. And John Wyrick closes in. All these airplanes are available for airplane rides right after the show. Oh! Sorry for that one.